ultimate air fryer baked potato experience. If you're tired of waiting forever for your oven to bake those perfect potatoes, you're in for a treat today. We're using the air fryer to make two delicious and healthy baked potato recipes: classic russet potato and sweet potato. Give these baked potatoes some delicious, healthy, and easy toppings. First, we're going to prep our potatoes. Give them a good wash under cold running water. Don't skip this step. It actually helps with achieving that perfect crispy potato skin that we love. You want to make sure the potatoes are completely dry before they hit the air fryer. This helps them crisp up perfectly. Grab a fork and prick each potato a few times. Let steam escape while they cook and prevents the potatoes from bursting. Here's the secret to getting that gorgeous crispy potato skin. It's olive oil. Just drizzle a little over the potatoes and rub it all over the surface. When air frying several potatoes, choose similar sized potatoes. They will cook evenly and get done at approximately the same time. Place the potatoes into the air fryer. We'll set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for about 35 to 40 minutes. Fryer is done. And look at this beauty. The skin is crispy and golden, just like we want it. And now comes the best part: cutting the baked potatoes open and getting ready to load them up with all those delicious toppings. Cut the russet potato right down the center halfway through. If you prefer your potato fluffed up, use a fork, just like this. And don't forget to sprinkle a little salt and pepper to enhance the natural flavor. It really makes a difference. Add the shredded cheddar cheese, crumbled bacon bits. I would suggest air frying the bacon prior to air frying the potatoes. Add a generous dollop of sour cream. Some green onions on top for that extra pop of color and flavor. Here it is, a perfectly loaded russet baked potato that's going to steal the show at your dinner table. Now let's take care of our sweet potato. Add the butter and the brown sugar. And just to let you know, here I'm using stevia, plant-based brown sugar substitute. Throw in a few pecans if you want a little crunch. Then I'll top it off with, guess what? Mini marshmallows. Sprinkle lightly with powdered cinnamon. And once you try this combo, you'll wonder why you haven't been doing it all along. Pop it back in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. If you want slightly roasted s'mores-style marshmallows. Whether you're in the mood for a classic cheesy savory russet or a sweet and spicy sweet potato, the air fryer has your back. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and just bursting with flavor and nutrition. Fiber-rich potatoes are rich in vitamin C that strengthens the body's immunity system, and potassium for heart health. Did I mention that eating baked potatoes in moderation is great for weight management? These air fryer baked potatoes are perfect for a quick dinner, a satisfying snack, however you like, whether you're going all in on toppings or keeping it simple. This is comfort food at its best. If you like healthy, delicious air fryer recipes, watch my next video on crispy air fryer deviled eggs. Up next.